Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the studio. Today we are going to be doing a bit of a deep dive into a couple of key catalysts with the overall crypto market. According to data, about 100% of Bitcoin holders and Ethereum holders are currently in the profit because prices are near record highs. So this leaves all of us asking the same questions like, when is the best time to take profits? How high is the market going to go? Should you move some of your Bitcoin into altcoins so you could yield some higher percent returns? Everyone is wondering the same things. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this, and we're also going to go over one key catalyst that is finally happening. We have never seen this before, and this is going to lead to trillions of dollars pouring into crypto. Also, quick reminder, as promised, we are continuing to keep a couple of spots open in the Patreon community. So in addition to benefits like daily live streams, you also can get access to our buy and sell alerts, which have yielded returns like 1,500%, 1,300%, 300%, and many more. These are simply screenshots from members in our private Discord. Anyways, right now, the overall crypto market is doing extremely well. Total cryptocurrency market cap has surpassed $2.65 trillion. We're seeing that break through record highs. Bitcoin is breaking through all-time record highs. Ethereum is close to record highs, and everything is looking pretty good. In terms of the crypto fear and greed index, this is looking extremely bullish as well. Right now, crypto fear and greed index is at 84, which is in extreme greed territory. And historically, whenever we have seen the crypto fear and greed index get above 80 or right above 80, we start to see massive amounts of accumulation take place, meaning that people are starting to experience FOMO, which is fear of missing out. They're seeing other people yield, 10%, 20%, even doubling their money in a matter of a week or so. And many people are starting to pour more money into crypto because they don't want to miss out. Back in 2017, we saw this exact same thing happen. But in 2017, it was with retail investors like you, your friends, everyone you knew started hearing about crypto. We started seeing people search about it on Google, seeing that search interest of Bitcoin peaked out all-time record highs in December, January, right around there, December 2017, January 2018. That was what was happening then. This time, things are a little bit different. This time, we are seeing the exact same thing happen, but with institutional investors. Ever since a Bitcoin futures ETF was approved and officially went live for trading on the New York Stock Exchange, we have seen so many institutional investors and just institutions across a wide range of industries start to get more involved with crypto, and this is very exciting. So I want to talk about this, and later in the video, we'll talk more about some altcoins in particular that you definitely want to be in, but this is really big. So since the Bitcoin futures ETF was approved, went live for trading, we have seen a number of announcements come out. One is from, let's say, asset manager PIMCO. They came out and said that they are getting more heavily involved in crypto. This is important. They are $2.2 trillion assets under management company that is almost as big as the entire crypto industry. And they said that now some of the fixed income focused firms' hedge fund portfolios are going to be trading crypto-linked securities. They said this is a starting point. They're going to get more involved with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins later in the future, but now they are getting started. So that's one company. Second thing we're seeing is that the Houston pension, Houston Firefighters Relief and Retirement Fund, which has over $4 billion in assets under management, they just invested $25 billion into Bitcoin and Ethereum. They say they see this as another tool to manage risk. It has positive expected return and manages risk. It has a low correlation to every other asset class. They're getting involved. We also have seen that Formula E just announced a major partnership with cryptocurrency company called Avalanche. This is a big deal as well. So we're seeing all of these companies come out with major announcements getting into crypto, either buying it, sponsoring with it, and this is all since a Bitcoin futures ETF was approved. We have just seen dozens of announcements come out. Not only this, but we're also seeing, for example, real estate platform. Pacaso, maybe it's Pacaso. I don't know how to pronounce it, but either way, they're saying that mass crypto adoption is well underway. They want to get involved, and they are partnering with BitPay to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, and a number of other cryptocurrencies. They say that when people are looking to buy these second homes, because that's what this platform does, they focus on people who want to buy second homes, A lot of people are asking about cryptocurrency, and mass adoption is well underway. So it's all of a sudden interesting that since we saw a Bitcoin futures ETF approved, that all of a sudden now we are seeing institutions say, maybe we should buy some crypto. Maybe we need to allocate some of our portfolio to this. And this is very exciting. So the one thing to remember is that right now, a vast majority of institutions do not own cryptocurrency. So even though everyone says, you're a little late into Bitcoin, you're late into Ethereum, you're late into some of these other altcoins, you are definitely not late into any of these because such a small percentage of institutional investors actually own crypto. If you look at Fortune 500 companies, very few of them actually mention cryptocurrency or digital assets in their earnings call. They don't really talk about it. They don't really invest in it. But now this is finally starting to change. So that is why right now is still the best time to get involved. And ever since we saw this Bitcoin futures ETF approved, we have seen dozens of announcements come out signaling to me that we are finally starting to see FOMO take place around institutions, and they are finally saying, you know what, maybe this is never going away. Maybe we should get involved now. So that is why you want to be in now. You need to be in, you're still early. We're going to finally start to see institutions get involved. Okay, so let's talk about a couple of altcoins. So like we mentioned earlier, Formula E just announced a partnership with Avalanche. Avalanche is one of our favorite cryptocurrencies on the channel, AVAX, and it is a potential competitor to Ethereum, Cardano, Solana. It is in that same DeFi sort of space. Important thing here is that even though it's just a sponsorship with the upcoming Formula E season, it's not like a huge deal, but what is exciting about this is that this is one of the first big partnerships for Avalanche. We've seen a lot of partnerships with cryptocurrency exchanges and, let's say, different leagues. Like, for example, Coinbase partnered with the NBA, but we haven't seen many individual cryptocurrencies partner with some leagues as well. So this was a very exciting announcement there. Other coin I'm extremely bullish on is Solana. And Solana just announced, a Solana-based game called Genopets just announced that they had received an $8.3 million funding to help drive growth for their game. And this is very exciting because Solana is one of our favorite coins on the channel. We talk about it a lot, but it is a real competitor to Ethereum. It is able to process more transactions per second. It's more energy efficient. And with this announcement, what it shows me is that even though it's just a game, an NFT game that pays people when they walk, it uses the GPS on your phone. If you walk more, you get more money. Even though it's just like a silly game, the thing that I find very important about this is that we're seeing institutional dollars pour into Solana-based projects. And that is the one way we're going to see Solana or Cardano or Ethereum continue to grow is by more projects being developed, developers choosing to build on those platforms, and money coming in, because that's going to lead to more mass adoption. And that is exactly what we're seeing with Solana. So all of this makes me very excited about investing in crypto, especially institutions. For the first time ever, we are really seeing FOMO take place around the institutional investors and a number of companies in a wide range of industries. So that is very exciting. And also the other thing is with a number of altcoins, now is still a great time to get in because we are finally starting to see this second leg of the bull market take place. Coins that I personally like are coins like, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Uniswap, Terra, Luna, and a number of other coins. Terra is the same thing as Luna, but a number of other coins. So if you'd like to see more about what coins I'm buying in particular, make sure to check out our Patreon group using the link down below. Join our free Discord, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.